Right, today I'm going to make a start on my diffuser. It won't be finished today. I might do it in one video, I might do it in two, I don't know yet. Basically I bought aluminium and it's thicker than I thought it would be, so I can't cut it myself. I've got nothing to cut it with. So I'm going to mark it all out, then I'm going to take it to my granddad's house. Obviously I'll have to leave it with him because of everything going on and the social distancing, so I'll leave that with him, let him cut, then I'll go grab it, then I can bolt it all together and fit it. Right, today. Okay, so I'll make a start by removing my old fins first. Just as simple as that with everyone. Okay, so I've measured my overhang now by holding the cardboard up to there, drawing a line across there with a pen, cut it off, and that's how it's going to sit now. Like that. And now I've finished that, I'm going to draw 4 fins exactly the same, using the same piece, so I've got exactly the same design. Then I'll be ready to go get the templates cut. So that's the aluminium all marked off and dropped off at my granddad's house. I don't know when it's going to be cut and ready for me to fit, but when I get it back I still need to spray it and do everything else, so it's still going to take a little while to get this all finished and done. That's the aluminium I've just went and collected from my granddad's house. I still haven't had the paint arrive, so I don't know if I'm going to put it all together today or just wait till I get the paint then do it all at once. Let's just wait and see. Can't really be bothered today. I think I might just go get some Instagram pictures, take out the proper camera. Obviously I can't film on that because it's only 4 photos, hence I'm using my phone all the time for the YouTube videos. Subi life. Nightmare. Lovely. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. I've made a start on my diffuser and I never realised how hard aluminium is to work with and drilling and whatnot, so I might give up soon. It's took me 45 minutes to do one fin. I wish I could weld because it's taking a piss to do these. That's it, finally done. I need to paint it still, but other than that it's done and happy days. Next mod, my girlfriend got me these badges, so I'm going to go fit these now. Firstly, pop the grill off with these 5 clips along the top there. The front badge is a hard one. I'll get back to you on how this works. Not even going to explain the nightmare I had with that one, but it's on, and to be honest I quite like it. I've stuck the rear badge on and also the front badge now, and the diffuser is also finished for now. Front doesn't look as good, but I still prefer it over the blue. That's the diffuser finished until it's painted now, and I put the front and rear badges on. The front one I measured wrong because I thought it'd come with a silver ring round it, so I sent them the size for that. Turns out it was only the badge itself and it was an overlay rather than a badge, which they didn't actually state on the website. So yeah, it still looks alright. now I've actually done it, man. I'm not disappointed or anything. I'm going to get out now and show you my diffuser and the badges, like from a better view. As you can see, the rear badge has a ring round it. If we go around to the front, it doesn't have a ring round it because I've had to cut it. Other than that, looks decent. And my diffuser, I'm not finished yet, needs some paint. Needs some paint. And I'm going to feed a sheet of aluminium from one end up to the diff so it closes the air bubble where it would get stuck in the bumper basically. But looks wise, quite like it. So that's absolutely everything for this video. Please thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, all that malarkey, because it actually helps get my videos noticed, and I'm trying to get my YouTube back. I used to be a partner, but I played music on the old videos. This was for skate videos, man, but I used to play music in the background, and they closed my account down. Mint. Right, thanks for watching. Peace out.